Hello everyone, welcome to TechLibert channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install RStudio in your Windows computer. Now the first thing you have to do is open a new browser and then in the address bar type in download RStudio and then press enter from your keyboard and then click on the first link, which is Promposite, and then you will land on this page. I'll leave this link in the description of the video so that you can just click on this link and come to this page. Now from here all you have to do is just scroll down, and here we have two options. Now first we have to install R, which is the programming language that is RStudio is based on. So what you have to do now is just click on install and download R, and from here you need to choose your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on here. And if you're installing it for the first time, you need to click on base, and here is the downloadable file. Now click here, and as you can see, the download just started and the download is complete. Now all you need to do is just click here and then click on yes. Now from here click on OK and then click on next, and then select the folder where you want to install it and then click on next again, and then leave all of this checked and then next, and then next again. Click next here as well, and this is all good. Click next, and the program is now installing. Now once the installation of R is complete, click on finish and then go to the same link again, and now we are going to download RStudio. So just click here, and here you can see the download started. It may take a while, so just hang in there. And once the download is complete, click on it and then click on yes. Now let's minimize our browser and then click on next. Select the folder and then click on next again and then click on next. And the program is now installing, which may take a while. And the installation is complete. Let's just click on finish. Now all you need to do is just go to start, and here you can see RStudio. If you don't see it, you can also just type in RStudio and you will see it at the top. Just click here and then click on OK, and here we have RStudio, and now from here you can start writing code. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.